Today we're going to take a look at another preposition. What? Yeah, I know. Come on. It's the preposition on. 2 little letters, 4 different uses. Are you serious? I'm deadly serious. Well, not deadly, but I am serious. Come on. Did you hear it? I used on. On is used for surfaces. Place your books on the table. On the surface of the table. Got it. For dates. On the 1st of August, we are leaving for vacation. Got it. Then, days of the week. On Wednesdays, we will be serving a meatloaf special. Ew, does anyone still like meatloaf? Days of the week. On. On Mondays, many people are sad to go back to work. Oh, another day of the week. Got it. And for certain expressions, such as, come on, English, or on the phone. I can't talk right now. I'm on the phone. Yeah, I know. I'm on hold. On. Wait, I'm coming. I'm on my way. Or, whew, if we don't leave now, we won't be on time. See, certain expressions. Let's review. On, used for surfaces. Don't leave your keys on the table. You might lock yourself out. On, for dates. On the 1st of August, you remember, we're leaving. For days of the week. On Tuesdays, we serve tacos. Oh, okay. And certain expressions. On the phone, on my way, on time, come on, English. Why does English have so many uses for the 2-letter word O-N, on? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. I remembered I put my keys on the table. Bill was on the phone. I thought it happened on Wednesday. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with on in multiple uses? You can. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.